Health is Wealth, Dance Workout Zumba. Suportahan at i-contact niyo po ang aming kaibigang trainer Loyla sa kanyang dance workout Zumba every 5 o'clock p.m. Pinas time sa murang halaga.
Much for coming. Thank you for coming, guys.